Good afternoon, dear IP students. Here we are with a question that is related with pivoting here, and just see which specific type of question will be there in the question paper of our CBSE class 12. Here, the question is, in this part of the board, I have written the question here. The question is, consider a data frame given below. One data frame is given in the question paper, and then just see what is there in the data frame. This is the data frame with 1, 2, 3, 4 columns, and if you want to see what is the index here, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, this is the default index of this data frame. Now, this data frame contains 4 different columns here and a default index value, just see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it is here. Now, what is the question? The question is, write a program to summarize how many projects, one column is there, to summarize how many projects are being handled by each position. Position is the another column of this data frame for each city. Now the question is related with pivoting. You have to create a program that is based on the pivot function of our Python Panda. Here, just say, write a program to summarize how many projects. Projects means here the column number 4. How many projects are being handled? It means what? Here, if you want to create a pivot table on the basis of a data frame, you just know what is the index, you just know what is the column and what is the value of the specific pivoting. Here, values are projects, right? And then we have to design a data frame that is by each position. Position means manager, admin, manager, admin, admin. This is the position column. So the position is treated as index here in this pivoting. It is index, right? Each city is a column of the resulting data frame, because you have to show how many projects are related with each and every city. Each and every city means Jaipur, Delhi, Chennai, Mumbai, Jaipur, Delhi, Chennai, Mumbai. It is the column of the resulting data frame, and then projects are treated as values. So we require 3 different things from the question, and all these things are here. So if you want to write the answer, write the program related with this specific concept, very first, just see what is the first point. Information summarized by. On which specific level you are going to summarize your information. We are going to summarize the information basis of position here. So here, position, it is treated as index, right? Next one, how many projects means values. Projects are treated as values in this question, and here for each city we have to show the project value related with each and every city. So city is treated as column here, right? So these 3 points that are required for pivot function, and all these 3 points are there in the question. Now if we are going to write the code, write the program related with this question, our program should start from import pandas as PD, first line, import numpy as np, second line, and now here in this area we have to write the code for the data frame creation. We can create the given data frame by using dictionary and list, right? So just write the code to create the data frame at this position, and then at the last our resulting function is this one. Just say pvt1, it is the newly created data frame, equal to df. Df is the name of our data frame. Dot pivot. Pivot is a function. You have to write this pivot in a small case only, and then inside the bracket we have to give 3 different type of attribute in this pivot function. Very first, index. So what is the index here? Index means position. So index equal to position. Position is the first column name. Then comma. Columns equal to city. City is treated as column here. So city, Jaipur, Delhi, Chennai, Mumbai, these are treated as columns of the resulting data frame, and then values equal to projects. Now if you execute the specific command, if you execute the specific program, this output will be there. Just see the output, city position. City means it is the heading of this column. So Chennai, Delhi, Jaipur, Mumbai, the cities that are there in this data frame is arranged according to ascending order. According to ascending order, Chennai will be the first column, A, B, C. Then Delhi, it is the second column. Then Jaipur, then Mumbai. 4 columns will be created in the data frame. And then here, indexes position. Now just see, summarize the position: manager, admin, manager, manager, admin, admin. Only 2 positions are here in this data frame. The first one is manager. All the rows of manager will be combined in this one. So first row will be manager. Second row, it will be admin here. So just see, admin is there in the second row. Now the values of project will be distributed in the data frame. Manager, Chennai. How many projects will be conducted by manager in Chennai? Manager, Chennai, how many projects? 16 projects will be conducted. 16.0 here. Here, it is an integer value, but in the result, you just see a float value. Why is this 0 is available in the result? Because the presence of NaN. If NaN is there in any row, in any column, automatically the values are converted into floating point values here, right? So, manager Chennai 16 projects. Now, how many projects are related with admin Chennai? Admin Chennai 21 projects. So, 16, 21 it is here, right? Manager Delhi. How many projects are related with manager city Delhi? Manager first, second, third. No projects are related with the Delhi city for a manager position. So we just put NaN over here, not a number. Then admin Delhi, this admin, and here admin Delhi. 17 projects are conducted. So here admin Delhi 17.0. Now the given data frame is summarized into this concept, right? Now one more thing. Here NaN is available. Again NaN is available over here. Admin Mumbai, there is no record of Mumbai city for an admin. Admin Chennai, Jaipur, and then admin Delhi. So Mumbai is not available. So we just put NaN over here. Now, if you use this command dot fillna 0, it is a function fillna, dropna. These 2 functions are there. If you use dot fillna bracket 0, then what will happen? Instead of putting NaN, computer will put 0 over here, 0.0, and again in this position also 0.0. Now this will be the resulting data frame, and this data frame will be created by using our pivot function. Just see the question. If the same question will be there in your CBSE question paper, then it will carry 4 marks. Right? And then to reserve these 4 marks, how many coding lines are there? 1, 2, third line, you just create this data frame by using the command. So this will be the third line, then 4 and 5. Only 5 lines are there in this specific type of program. Right? So just take the screenshot of this programming code so that you can create the program on your computer, or you can create this program on your mobile phone also, right? Thank you very much. Thank you.